Hey guys, what's going on? Here's my beautiful backyard. So today what we are doing is we are going to fix up some couch cushions, and here they are right here. Ooh. Well, really some chair cushions, I guess. And so all I'm doing is I'm cutting like a seat cushion in half and putting it on these chairs behind me. That's what I'm doing today. It's not much of a DIY, but it was simple, and I kind of wanted to do something simple this week because I plan on building something next week and I didn't want to get overburdened. So it's really simple. All you're going to need is scissors, sewing needle, and thread. That's it. I just got like a regular spool of thread at Hobby Lobby, and that's what I used. And I used like the thickest needle I had in this like variety pack, and I literally just cut the cushion in half and sewed it together. This is me doing all that. I had got these chairs from like an online auction in Austin actually, and they were only 40 bucks for both, so $20 each is all, but they were missing a few components. They were missing like the skirts around them, and then the back piece that like holds the back cushion up, and also all the bolts that holds it together. But I knew that, like, getting them, and so that was fine. Like, I had no problem cutting a few strips of wood and kind of staining it to match in the huff, and just getting the same bolts that these chairs used. I just got the instructions from the manufacturer's website is what I did, and it said the bolt number you needed, so that was great. Top tip. What I didn't know was that they did not come with seat cushions. They came with backs. They came with 4 backs actually, and no seats, which was unfortunate because for some reason outdoor cushions are like $70 for one cushion, and it's ridiculous, and I was really upset about it actually. But what I did have was this like love seat length outdoor cushion just in my shed. I've had it for like 2 years because it went on like a wicker bench, and but I kept the cushion because it was a good cushion. And it like made the move with us and stuff. I don't know how it made it with us. My husband's so pro throwing stuff out, but it made it. And so it's just been sitting in the shed for like a year. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm just gonna cut this in half and do that. And so that's what I'm doing. And like I said, I just cut around it in half because cutting through the foam is like way too thick, and then just took each half and stitched it up. I just went around and around. I don't know what that stitch is called. I just wanted to close the opening. I'm not a seamstress by any means. I can do one stitch, and everything else I have to watch YouTube videos about. Like if someone has like a hole in their pants, YouTube video. I do not know what I'm doing. But I think they came out pretty good actually. And like I said, I already have the backs, and they match enough, and they're like big enough until I find big enough ones. But really, like I said, it's super simple DIY. It's really kind of one of those things where it's like, if you have it and it doesn't have a use, just try it, and if you mess it up, then just buy some on Amazon, whatever that sum is. In my case, cushions. That's about it. And as you can see, like, they work, they're comfortable, and when we sat on them, the stitching didn't come apart, which was the most important thing. And now we have like this really cute outdoor space. Yay! But thanks for joining me today, you guys. We'll probably have like a more in-depth DIY next week. More information about this one is on my blog if you want to check it out, and I will see you guys later. Bye!